Remember the video I showed you where buying a home in Woodbridge, New Jersey actually netted out better returns than the S&P? Now let's take a look at a Jersey City property in Jersey City Heights. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. This is actually the second floor unit, which has access to a rooftop terrace. The owners actually purchased this at around a similar time frame to the Woodbridge house. So this was actually purchased around June of 2022. You can see this actually went for $850K at the time. When you factor in closing costs at around 3% and a down payment at around 20%, you're looking closer to $200K that you have to put down in order to close on this property. At the end of 2025, Zillow sees this property value closer to $978,000. Not bad, but when you factor in 7% closing costs, the remaining balance on your mortgage, the equity from the sale is actually very similar to what you would have received from the Woodbridge house. It's roughly around $230,000. The difference here is how much you had to put up front. Because you had to put up close to $200K for this Jersey City property taxes are slightly higher in Jersey City over that same time frame. The big killer here, though, is the amount of mortgage interest that you paid over those 3 years. That totals greater than $100,000. Wow. And that essentially brings your ROI down to minus 50%. Now, let's take a look at the same example with the stock market. Instead of roughly spending $200K to buy this home, what if you invested that in the SPY in 2022? Again, we're applying the same growth rate. It's roughly around 77%. That brings your total profit to around $150K. Now, let's assume that at the time, you also decided to rent in Jersey City Heights with around like a 3-bedroom house. Rent at that time would cost you roughly $2,800 a month. Assuming a 3% rent increase every single year, you're roughly spending around $81,000 in total. That brings your total ROI to around 12%, which makes it a better deal to invest in the stock market and rent versus buying in Jersey City. This is primarily why I do not see primary homes as an investment. If you're looking to purchase an investment property, make sure to check out my real estate investment analysis tool on Etsy, only available for $20. Like this video, follow me for more personal finance and real estate investing tips.